Okay, so let's quickly go over how you add GD&T callouts to a drawing in SolidWorks. So we got our drawing view that I'm going to add it to. Obviously, I haven't added any. Obviously, this still needs a whole bunch of dimensions and so on and so forth. But we're just doing the GD&T right now. So you go to annotation, and then we got a datum feature button here, and we got a geometric tolerance button here. So let's say we want to make this surface here a reference. That's our reference plane that other things can, that other GD&T callouts can be controlled by. So we'll make both of them. We started in D and E. I'm going to change because I had some stuff there previously that I deleted. So I'm going to change that to A and B. Yeah, come on. Why didn't that one change? Okay, there we go. So, and then we can add our callouts by using the geometric tolerance button. So click the button, click the plane you're looking at, and then go and in the little box that popped up, specify. So say we got these two brackets here that are welded onto the surface. Let's say we want to make those brackets perpendicular to that surface. So we pick the perpendicularity callout, tell us how much it is. I'm going to say 0.1, and then we can add A is the primary, B is the secondary. So that's saying that essentially both tolerances are both GD&T tolerances are being applied. The bracket A needs to be perpendicular to this thing to within 0.01, and B also needs to be parallel. So either of those could be a failure condition. And click the OK box, and then that goes away. A reminder that just like your dimensioning, you can't add GD&T to hidden lines. So we've got these brackets that have holes in them. So for example, say we wanted to specify some sort of GD&T with reference to those holes or using those holes, and we need to add a breakout section. So go click drawing, go click broken out section, draw your little spline around there. We're not going to exclude anything right now, and we're going to the depth of the hole. So now the hole is exposed on the drawing, and we can go ahead and use it to use it as a datum. So click the datum feature button, click on the edge, and there we go, Bob's your uncle. Again, also gotta, let's make that, yeah. Then we make that C. And then say, for example, if we wanted to ensure that we got these two holes here, and we want to be able to insert a rod into both holes at the same time, then those need to be concentric. We don't want to use concentricity. We talked about that in class. So we actually want to use a run out in order to do that. So we could just go ahead and do another breakout section on the bottom. And then add our GD&T. Nope. Nope. Go ahead and click the button, click the edge, add the GD&T. So let's use let's call it a full run out. Maybe 0.2. I don't know. And that'd be in reference to C. So that would do the trick there. One thing is that you can also add the symbology to dimensions as well. So add that there. And then when we have that selected, if we click the GD&T button, we would be able to add that as a subcomponent of the dimension that we added. So we wouldn't necessarily need, so essentially it kind of allows us to save a little space. So obviously if we're going to do that, when we go delete that other one. Oh, and remember the fact that that was supposed to be 2.2. So that'd be how we do something like that. And then of course you can add your dimensional tolerances as well, because that's obviously not going to be exactly 50.00. It's going to be 50.00 to 50.01 to, I don't know, whatever it works out to be based upon the fit that's required. Yeah, that's how you do that.